Hey guys, No Gas Nico here. I'm going to give you a spiel on why you should get a dash cam. Watch this video. How about that? Come downtown, take pictures for my daughter for her homecoming. They're all dressed up nice. Got some photos taking. Some idiot in a Ford Escape hits my car. Had I not had this dash cam, I'd have never known where it happened, where I parked my car at home. I'm usually walking up to it from the rear of the car. As you can see, the damage is the front bumper. So I didn't notice it until Monday afternoon when I got back to the shop from work. I pulled into the driveway at work with the work truck, and lo and behold, I see a big dent in my bumper. So I start searching through the video on the dash cam, and I came across this video, and there's my soapbox. You need a dash cam. People are going to do things. Now, right now, I'm parked in the same spot that it happened, and I made a call. I had to come back downtown for the city police to make a report. So I'm waiting for the city police to show up. I do have, from the dash cam, I pulled this image, clear shot of the license plate, and I'm now waiting. I do also, I went ahead and I downloaded the video. I don't know if they want it, but I did put it on this USB stick. So I do have a copy of the video that I'm going to give to the police officer, and a picture with a clear shot of the plate. Now I'm in Michigan, and it was Texas plates. So some jackwagon from Texas just hit my car. After I get the report number, I'm going to file a claim with my insurance. I'm going to show you how that process goes. Unfortunately, I do have a deductible. I don't know how hit and runs work with my insurance company. If there's a clause, and do I pay? Do they make them pay? Do they go after them? I have no idea. So we're going to go ahead and get this all sorted out. I'm going to do a part 2 with how this goes, and we'll be in touch. So right now, again, I'm waiting on the city police to show up so I can at least get a report started, and they can hopefully locate the individual that hit my car, and I can press charges and get them to be held accountable, or at the very least make them pay my deductible. We'll see what happens. Now, after going through this, I think I'm going to go ahead and buy another dash cam and install it in my wife's car. We just got her car in May, and I don't have a dash cam in there yet. She kind of doesn't want one because I also have GPS tracking on there, so they can record the speed on the dash cam, and I think she was afraid that I would see her speeding, which I do that on our tracking app anyway. We have those on our cell phones, so I know she speeds. But anyway, I want to do a video on the type of dash cam I have and how it's installed, and how to install it properly to ensure you have parking, and also how to ensure you're not draining your battery when the dash cam is recording for extended periods of time and you're not plugged in or running the car. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to probably order the dash cam here shortly, and then we'll go ahead and do a video on how to install a dash cam and how to do it properly. Again, I'll do part 2. Stay tuned, and I'll come back at you. Thanks for watching, and get a dash cam, and God bless.